Doctor! 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 It's like somebody's dying.
Who's dying in my clinic?
Doctor! I'm dying.
What is the problem?
My stomach.
Calm down.
It's my stomach.
Let me hold on.
Doctor. What is wrong with my stomach?
No. You are suffering from acute appendicitis.
Doctor, what does that mean?
It's at the last stage. You are going for surgery.
Okay, but please do something about it for the surgery. Do something.
Yes, there's something I'll do. I'll give you drugs to help calm you down for the meantime.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, and it's just 20,000 naira.
Doctor, I don't have such money. Now,
okay.
You have to just commence with the treatment. Then after everything, I'll come and pay. That's why I came to you. No, doctor.
You don't have anybody to drug. You don't have anything to deposit. If it's 5,000 naira, you can deposit. Then I'll give you drugs.
If I have any money, I would have given you the money. I don't have any money.
Young man, I wish I can really help you.
Doctor, please. Doctor. Please. Doctor, help me, please.
My very doctor.
Mr. John. How's your head?
I almost left this one at home, but I said, okay, let me just use it to...
Very good.
Doctor.
Young man, what else are you doing?
Please, if I go home, I will die. I will die.
What is happening to your patient? What's wrong with him?
He's suffering from acute appendicitis.
Acute?
Appendicitis.
That one is strong.
His appendix has gotten to the last stage.
The very last?
He's going for surgery.
How much is the total bill?
It's just 20,000 naira. And I asked him to deposit anything he has for now.
Too bad. My brother, how about your family? You did not call them?
The man does not have anybody, does not have a family friend, does not have a neighbor. So there's nothing I can do for him.
Not that I have much, but I'm supposed to use this money to take care of myself. But the Bible said, help the needy. So, I don't have much here with me, but I will deposit something. Make sure you start his treatment as soon as possible.
Young man, thank you very much.
Thank God.
You have saved his life. If not, we would have lost him. Young man, this one you are helping him. Do you know him?
The Bible said, help the needy.
Okay.
Blessed is the hand that giveth.
Wow. Okay. Thank you very much.
Please, make sure you attend to him as soon as possible.
I will make sure I keep him alive. By His grace. Thank you very much. And make sure you take care of yourself.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Hey, please excuse me.
Okay.
Please, take this one.
Yes, sir.
When he wakes up,
okay,
give him this card.
Okay, Initiative for Poverty Elimination and Rural Community Upliftment.
Thank you.
So it's a charity home.
It is a charity home.
Okay.
They help the less privileged and help the needy. If you want to know more about them, search them online.
I will make sure he has it.
Exactly.
Take care of yourself.
Extend my greeting to him.
Take care. My regards to your family.
No problem.